What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Larry. I'm a photographer and I have a passion for wildlife photography. You guys know what the state of the world is right now. Everyone's doing their part, I hope. So I'm doing mine. I'm trying to stay home as much as I can, except when I'm at my day job. Today, rather than go out on a road trip looking for birds, we're doing some backyard bird photography. So I've got a perch set up and some feeders, and we're going to spend a few hours this afternoon out in the backyard and see what kind of birds we can get. I think today we're going to be going for quantity over quality, so just see how many different species we can get. But who knows, maybe we'll get lucky and get a couple of really nice photos out of it. Anyways, if you guys are into photography, you guys are into the outdoors, consider subscribing to the channel. Let's get into the video. First species is in the yard. It's an American robin. It's number one. So not a fantastic shot of that robin, but it counts. Maybe he'll come down and I can get a nicer shot maybe of him on my perch, but I doubt it because I don't have any mealworms out for him. I've just got out seeds for the songbirds and stuff because that's what I've got. Not going out to buy any extra bird feed or anything like that right now, just making do with what we have. Oh, and I think we might have a goldfinch. Behind a branch. Can't even see him. Maybe if I just shimmy over a little bit. Let's see. Well, he's facing away from me, but it's a photo. Technically, so. Two species, not bad. I know for a fact we're going to see a few more this afternoon. Don't know what they're doing over there, but doesn't sound good. Getting cold out here. Be right back. Oh, that's better. Didn't think I was gonna have to bust out the winter coat in the middle of April, but hey, what are you gonna do? Too slow. Well, just had a couple of turkey vultures come by and a seagull just now. Missed the seagull. Got a photo of the turkey vultures, but they were so high up they're literally a dot. Still counts though. 4 species spotted and 3 with photos. Speaking of house sparrows, I can't quite get them from here. I could take the camera off the tripod and get a photo, but I'm not going to worry about it. They'll be around and I know they'll come out, so yeah, just keep watching for anything else. Pretty sure a starling just flew into the hedge. I know there's lots of them around, so. Lots of birds in the hedge, not too many coming out of the hedge just yet, but it is starting to snow, which is unusual and problematic because neither of my cameras are weather sealed. So right now it's just kind of a couple flakes. I think we're okay, but may have to put this on hold for a little while if it really starts to come down. It's not supposed to, I don't think, though. Hope not. I last spoke with you, my neighbor was having a Latin dance party in the street or something, which is great. I mean, everyone's keeping their morale up, but playing a lot of music, and I couldn't record anything, unfortunately. I have had some more species come in. There's actually a chickadee here right now at the feeder. Oh, he's gone. Yeah, so chickadee, goldfinch, I don't know, a few others I can't even remember, but I'll show you all the photos of them right now. Yeah, we've still got a couple hours of daylight left. I haven't been out here the whole time. I'm kind of intermittently coming out for half an hour, 45 minutes at a time. So far, a pretty decent variety. Hopefully we'll get some more. Well, I think if my count's correct, I think I'm at 7 species now that I've got photos of. 7 species of birds, that is, 1 species of mammal. So far, that's it. Hoping to get a couple more. Got about maybe another hour left that I'm going to be able to shoot out here. See how it goes. Just got a blue jay. Had to run over to the other side of the yard, and it was probably 300 yards away. Still counts. You can see it's a blue jay in the photo. It's a terrible photo, but you can see it's a blue jay. One more to the count. Starting to run out of daylight. Hoping that I can get a cardinal. They should show up just before it gets dark if I'm lucky. Heard multiple males singing, and I've heard at least 1 female calling. So I know the cardinals are out and about. A couple of mourning doves just flew over. We've already got shots of those that you guys saw earlier. Any other frequent flyers that we haven't seen today? I haven't seen my song sparrow that's usually hanging out here. It's been, well, I say usually. It's been out here the last couple days, but isn't out here today. And I think that's it. Oh, yep, that's it. Oh, I stand corrected. One of our other frequent flyers just flew by. And I'm going to run over and get another photo of him because he's over in the same tree that the blue jay was in, I believe. I'm going to go get a picture of a crow. You'll see that in a second. Terrible shots of the crow, but once again, still counts. We're really starting to lose light here. It's getting darker. Oh well, keep on trying. That's all we can do. It's actually been a really nice day, despite being a little chilly. It's a beautiful day to be outside. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Well guys, I think I'm going to close out the talking portion of the video now. I'm going to stay out and keep photographing for a little while, see if anything else lands in the yard. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you guys enjoyed the content, please like this video. It means a lot. Leave a comment down below if you've got any suggestions, you got any questions, or any comments that you'd like to leave. And just stay safe, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your night. If I get any pictures of a cardinal or anything else, you'll see them right now. Otherwise, this is the end.